Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Kumno kingan perkhat nakbanta ka lawe jong ka khun. Ngamla wat tang man pen biang ye ki jungdan kam haying hasam.
Ku kong wat kuslai ka kongres kalawan Lai hajar man ublaya ki jingdan kam haying Ka kunjong pi minta ka laban pulisha prang Ka kongres kan tip lut na dong sha dong
Namar kata vote ya ka kongres.
Mahua Moitra ka balong ka MP jong ka Lok Sabha na ka Trinamool Congress ha ka alpusaw trik urumpang arhajar alpulai kala hiar sya kasnong Mawkyrwat na ka bentaban pan Jingkyrshan na ki ba ban Punjab yaw ba sounder strong Cajee ubadai ukurtong jong ka Trinamool Congress ban aireng na Mawkyrwat constituency ha ka election sya ka yingdar bar thawan ka jilla ka balong ha ka alpunyaw trik urumpang arhajar alpulai Habakran ha kini jingalang ka Mahua Moitra kala kular balada ki ba jong ka Mawkyrwat constituency kin Punjab yaw ba sounder strong Cajee ka TMC kan wanra ya ka roy ka par ha ka constituency ha kini jingalang ba ka balalong ha ka snong maulang wir bala sakhi lang ki post pa ngut ki ba la pedyang burom ru iki dikhat ki barang penyaso thmai bar ka Trinamool Congress
ki wat nomeran din sobha
Hap say bro
ki hajong stage ki wat nomeran din sobha nang ki na hajong stage ban ai ka jisat jong phi
I am telling you, Trinamool has come here to Meghalaya. People ask us, Trinamool is a party from Bengal. Why have you come to Meghalaya? And the answer is very simple. We are a national party.
National party
And Mamata Banerjee has shown how to chase the BJP from West Bengal. And she will help the people of Meghalaya to throw away the BJP from Meghalaya. You saw in Bengal, the BJP tried everything. They had money, they had muscle power, they had Prime Minister, they had Home Minister. We only had one small lady called Mamata Banerjee. But all of them ran away and we won. And same, you see me in the parliament. You see me in the parliament on the TV? Have you seen me? Okay. So there are 320 BJP members on that side and there is only 23. But I alone can stand and they all keep quiet. In Meghalaya, the Home Minister Amit Shah came and he said Meghalaya is the most corrupt state. I want to ask the Home Minister, you have run the government here with NPP and UDP for 5 years. You are the most corrupt. NPP is the most corrupt. So I want to say one thing. This is all one big drama. One big drama. Today, NPP is saying BJP is bad. BJP is saying NPP is bad. This is all one big drama. They are both the same. They are two sides of the same coin. They are in bed together. They are eating from the same plate. You have been fooled for 5 years. Don't be fooled anymore. Do not be fooled anymore. BJP, NPP think people of Meghalaya are fools. They think that for 5 years they have done nothing. They have not done the roads. There is no connectivity from Shillong to Mawkyrwat. They have not made a proper highway. There is a single lane road. They cannot even make a 2-lane road in 5 years. There is no medical college in Meghalaya. There is no hospital. There are no universities. Today people of Meghalaya have to go to Guwahati, have to go to Calcutta, have to go to Bangalore, have to go to Delhi. Why? But people are not fools. Indian public has become very smart. They understand everything. People know that every 5 years we have the power to change the government.
yang sarkar NPP, BJP, UDP kepada nang ni apa
You can change the government by what? By the strength of your thumb, you press this button on the EVM on 27th February and you have the power to remove this government.
Do you play Bulai Kaporinga? Bagalong unong Krisyani ke Jingim Jopi ke San Sinab ke Bonwala na Jo. Ngalong unong yalam bunong Prisyani ke bedok kirang ligi juki ke Sam Siang ki Kop Siang. Na kementau bedok katma ke bangalong pi bangalai ke meeting mo fer. Katma ke bangala pun bra. Kare katma bangal rat ye ke jingdok. Ka jingdok ka namla ba sol morwe. Ka jingdok ka bangine nalang baro. Dakawait pada kasti ngin mi paiba. Kong bangirat yung kanyang COVID aw arajarar po. Bulawan man penting man pesmi. Lagi yung manirum loksyo. Takis namat kapsorkar kapli. Kisinama hol kasorkar kapli. Kadba kiying mani nakakardap mau. Tadi na takadaw. La pindu jat yung kanyang COVID. Gagajing duway pada kisinong kitawar kasorkar. Bar nataru ngin pindu jat. Ya ka jingdok kababan na po kam Mawkyrwat konsensi. Ka jingdok kamban handre gidan kamban dan tangu nong petinliti. Ubani rap pi, bani kaya pi, bad begin yang halo ka juki keja. Begin nyat ya ka umat. Kabajaw, baka singkli kabaji. Joki kimeki kapaki ba i jongi. Kibala yam pa janu. Nam takikon kikti. Kiba alam nang balastar. Kakam kajam omdan. Ki perkat ban simram nam takikon. Badan doluan pai kikon kini okam ya jam. Henry karam kasya kana kiyo. Kakam kajam rumyo. Tedena takadaw pa ibabayi. Kay kabanga kwa banong ipini por kong lek daga jingduay. Ngilong kibri kapapop unre ublay YouTube kambhay ka jingduna jongi. Duay jur ladang isu duay arsap ublay num snap. Duay tasilain wat duay jurong. Ang play ngilong kapapop aji jobi pa sound uban pet yang ikibaduk kilang ligi juki. That's all. Takata. Ngim terkampan duay palan. Duay jurong kita keluar papan. Berbandawai po iban sa Amerika, sa Italy, sa... Tidak na takadaw. Ngawan ang ni, manong ipi, yakini bosyong ang ni, barkaton sa ba. Kumulay ka ni, kachikuan ka jopi, wad pa na kachikaya, kabapi kendo, ngalaang, mi pait pa, Jingkyrshan ka jonga. Pilay mi, kang badiyeng bansam, pilay mi, siwang bamdan kali, baladan kali, upay pa, arsa, laisa, banikani. Wadilay kaya mo paiba. Paiba, wala na kanina kapor, walang palat.